Hello viewers, I'm here to give you some tips for how to prepare for psychology board exam. There are two ways of preparing. Either start with the topics which are conceptually based, like chapter 1, which is based on variations in psychological attributes, chapter 2, self and personality, chapter 4, psychological disorders, chapter 5, therapeutic approaches. All these 4 chapters comprise of 36 marks. They are all conceptually based. The other way is, if you find it difficult, then you can start with the chapters which are more scoring, that is chapter 3, chapter 7, chapter 8 and chapter 9, which in total comprise of 27 marks. So you have two options, two ways of preparing for board exam. Then secondly, be familiar with the names of psychologists, as these names can be used in more 1-mark questions. Then this time we are expecting more of application based questions, so be thorough with the application part of all the theories. You can just write down the theories in summary with the names of psychologists, which will help you in your revision. Then from where you have to prepare for board exam. Firstly, just follow NCERT book. That will help you to clear your concepts as well as scoring perfect 100. Then you have to solve your last year papers and sample papers. Even though the marking pattern has been changed, the paper pattern has been changed, but still you can just follow the questions and the type of application based blanks that are being covered last year. This year, I hope you are familiar with the paper pattern that has been changed. Instead of 10 questions of 1 mark, we have 17 questions of 1 mark, then 3 questions of 3 marks, 4 questions of 2 marks, 6 questions of 4 marks and 2 questions of 6 marks. So I would suggest you to give the answers in points for all the descriptive answers to enhance the visibility. Underline the keywords wherever it is possible, and you can write the answers in your own language. Now, how to attempt the paper. In that, when you get 15 minutes reading time, use that time judicially, where you just scan the paper thoroughly and be familiar with the questions that you have to attempt. Wherever you have optional questions, try to finalize that in which answer you are more perfect, because in all the detailed questions you also have subparts. So whichever question you have clarity, then try to finalize that which question you are going to attempt. When you have to attempt MCQ, this time it is going to be very scoring and equally very difficult, as it would be of 17 marks, that is 17 questions of 1 mark. So be thorough with the options that you have. Solve the paper section wise. That becomes easy for the evaluator to do the checking. So you have 5 sections this time, so write the answers in points, and again I would say underline the keywords. That helps the evaluator to check the paper easily. So all the best and good luck for your paper.